Namaste, welcome to Babita's Easy Recipes. Today I am sharing Lachha Rabri recipe. So you can see how I am preparing this Rabri with very few ingredients. So first, in a kadai we have to take 1 liter of full cream milk. Heat the milk till it comes to a boil. Keep stirring the milk at regular interval, or like after 2-3 minutes just keep on stirring, so that milk should not stick at the bottom of the kadai. Though preparing rabri, it takes a bit of time, but it is very easy to prepare. Keep stirring the milk at every 2 or 3 minutes gap, and we should see that the milk should not spill out from the kadai. So keep on stirring like this. Let the milk become little thick. So friends, now you can see one layer of cream is formed here. So what we will do is we have to gather this cream and keep it on the side of the wok. Like this we have to collect and keep it on the side like this. So again, when the layer forms, that time again we have to collect it, we have to gather it and keep it on the side of the kadai like this. So keep stirring at the bottom of the wok also, so that the milk should not get stuck at the bottom. So like this we have to collect again. I am using here 1 liter milk. Till 200 ml of milk is left. Till that time we have to do like this. So now you can see friends, very less milk is left in the kadai. So now I am adding here 1 cardamom. You can even use cardamom powder. And I am using here 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now we have to cook this milk till the sugar dissolves in it. So once the sugar is dissolved, just turn off the flame and let this milk cool down. So now mix this cream lachha in rabri. So friends, you can see this lachha rabri is ready. In traditional rabri we don't use dry fruits like that, but if you want you can use pista or almond, like if you want you can use it. If you want, you can add here dry fruits like pista, badam you can use. So like this you can use also, but in traditional rabri we don't use dry fruits. It's ready. I hope you will like this recipe. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like the recipe, if you like the video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.